Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let's write the problem statement. So user need to take the user input and user need to take an array of size and user need to store the values in the array and print the alternative numbers in the array. So user need to take a user input n and user need to take an array of size n and user need to store values in the array. So yeah, user need to store the values in the array and print the alternative numbers in the array as the output. So this is the problem statement. For example, if I give n value is equal to 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is output? So what is output? So output is, so alternative numbers, right? 1 and 3 and 5 and 7. So this is the alternate numbers you have to print using arrays. So I think you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So import java.util.star, and after that scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in and int n is equal to sc.nextInt, and after that you have to take an array. So how can you give array? So you have to give data type and you have to give the square brackets which represents the array, and you have to give variable arr and new int of size. And so now I've created a new array with the size n. So now I have to give for loop which starts with 0 and which ends with n, and I'll give I plus plus which increments by 1, and after that I will give arr of I is equal to sc dot next int. So whatever the inputs from I is equal to 0 to I is equal to, or I is equal to 0 to I is equal to n, until I will give as user inputs, and each one I have to store in the array of size n. And after that, so I have to print the alternative numbers. I is equal to 0, I should be less than n, and I less equal to 2. So why? Because we want alternate numbers. So each time I plus I should be added with 2, so that you can get the alternative numbers. I hope you understand why I gave I plus equal to 2. So we want alternative numbers. So that's why change this increment. So just I have to print, that's it, right? So just we have to print the elements in the array. The array of I. So we have stored in the array all the elements. So that's why I'm using array of I, and the alternative numbers will be printed. So the program is completed. Let's run the program. So we have got there is no errors. Let's give the inputs. So what should be the output? So the output should be 1357. So let's give enter. See, 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7. So we got the output, right? So we got the output. So this, in this way we can declare array. So what we have done, so first we have given the n value and we have to declare an array of size n. For example, we have given 8, right? So the array size should be 8. So 8 spaces there in the array. Like you can store only 8 numbers in this array. And after that, so each time I have to give the user input, right? So when I is equal to 0, I will give 1. When I is equal to 1, I will give 2. So until then I have to give the user input. So for the giving the user input, I have written the sc dot next int. So I have given the user inputs, but how can I store all these inputs in, like where I have to store all these inputs? So I have to store it in the array. I have to store it in the array. So I have given array. And why I have given I? Because when I is equal to 0, I will store 1 here. When I is equal to 1, I will store 2 here. So like this, when based upon the index, I will store the each value in the array. So that's why I'm giving the error of I. And after that, I have to print the alternative numbers. So that's why I have gone on the numbers when I is equal to 0 to I less than n. And each time I have to increment increment by 2. Why? Because we want alternative numbers. So when you will get alternative numbers, when you do I plus equal to, like which when you increment the I value by 2, then you will get the alternative numbers. And after that, I have just printed the values in the error. That's it. Simple. So I hope you understand this problem statement. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos on YouTube. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.